we did was leave a hole in your chest. You didn't get that job, even though you really gave it your best. And now you're wondering what's the point of anything at all. But let me tell you why, that's just life putting you through the test. Before the dawn, it's always dark. Before the light, there is a tunnel. Before you run, you gotta stumble. Ooh. When you fall in love, but it don't work out. When you've cried at least 100 times. When you feel so stuck, but you can't get out. Just remember, there will come a day when it all works out, and you didn't even have to try. You will find a way if you hold on now, and remember that the only way is up from here.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a DIY project. Today I'm going to share with you a DIY Glam Scarecrow. I hope you enjoy. So guys, I had a piece of MDF that I had stored in my garage, and I decided that it was the perfect shape and size to create a scarecrow. So what I'm doing is I'm going to take some painter's tape and I'm going to divide the piece of MDF into 3 pieces.
Live your life, live it right now.
Now in the middle it's going to be the face of the scarecrow, so you can pick your colour for your skin tone. This one I'm using is Classic Cream.
Before you run, you gotta stumble. When you fall in love, but it don't work out.
Now at the top you are going to paint the hat part of the scarecrow, and I actually chose the wrong colour guys, so you can see that I'm actually wiping it off. I then went in with the right colour, and this one is called Puppy by Dulux. It's actually the colour of all my walls inside my home.
If you hold on now and remember that the only way is up from here.
Now at the bottom of the scarecrow it will be the body, and I went in with this beautiful Dulux colour called Dusty Pink.
When you fall in love, but it don't work out. When you've cried at least 100 times. When you feel so stuck and you can't get out. Just remember.
Now guys, I found a piece of pine that happened to be the right size, and this is going to be the top of the hat of my scarecrow. So I went in and painted it puppy as well. Now, once it was dry, I then went in with this browning wax, and taking an old sock, I then went over both parts of the hat.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you.
Now off camera I removed the tape and hot glued the pine in place. I then took some raffia guys and cut it up, and then hot glued it underneath the hat.
Me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be
Now I had some of these dollar store daisies, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue 2 at either end of the hat.
stay with you. Hold me.
Now I wanted a little designer inspired touch to this little scarecrow, so I had these dollar store gold stickers and I spelled out the word Dior.
Promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All I
top of this dollar store glitter foam in the colour orange, and I'm just cutting out a triangle which will be the Scarecrow's nose. Now I also cut out 2 circles, so that would be their little blushing cheeks, as well as taking a Sharpie pen and creating some eyes as well as a smile.
As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright.
Now off camera, I then got the tip of a small paintbrush and added white inside the eyes. I also continued the lines around the entire design with my Sharpie pen.
I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't.
So guys, I had some leftover fabric from one of those Kmart tablecloths. I absolutely love this checkered print. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a bandana for around his neck. So I'm just hot gluing it into a triangle, and then I glued it around the back of the Scarecrow. Now taking that glitter foam once again, I'm going to cut out a shape that will resemble some boots, and I'm going to glue that at the bottom of the Scarecrow.
Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
Now taking some of that leftover fabric, what I did is I cut out 3 squares, and what I'm doing here guys is I'm just going to pull all the thread around so it gives that raggedy edge feel.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you.
I absolutely love how my adorable little Scarecrow came, guys. I really was enjoying doing DIYs again. I haven't done a personalised DIY in such a long time, and I really enjoyed making this glam little Scarecrow for you.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you to create your very own DIY glam Scarecrow.
I just miss you.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back next week, guys, on Wednesday morning at 8 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home. you all have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.